Welcome. Hey, it's me. This is my phone, so please ignore all the silly games that my kids want to play on here. But I wanted to take a moment to show you on your phone how to deal with the Blackboard smartphone app. Okay, so of course you can see here, if you look down here at the bottom on the right, it says Blackboard. It looks like a pencil. That's for the students. That's what they'll use. If you click that, it's gonna connect you to what you're enrolled in as a student. So if you don't have anything like that, you're not gonna get enrolled in anything like that. It's not gonna show up or anything. So if you want to work with the classes that you're dealing with, right here at the bottom right where it says Instructor, that's where you want to go. Okay. So let's go ahead and click into that. All right, here we are. And this is what it looks like right off the bat with my classes here. Of course, I've got some old stuff pulled up and everything like that. Well, actually, no, I don't. This is all this semester, all my classes, but also I have the faculty help desk at the top. So when you go in, this is what your classes are going to look like. So let me just click one of my online classes. And so I'll go to English Comp 2 69 here. So let me click into that class. All right, it's loading, as you can see. So, of course, you can see there are some things you can do on here that you cannot do, or you cannot do on here that you can do on the regular computer. Regardless, here you are. This is what it looks like. Things are going to be shown at the top. Obviously, everything for me goes through course content, announcements, grades. For Collaborate, too, you can do the Collaborate Ultra through this. I have a video on that as well. And your discussion. So, for instance, let me go to announcements here. Here we are. All of my announcements here. I can even create an announcement. I can put everything in and so on like that. So when I push done, I can go down here. I can even send an email copy, which I always do. It goes to their UAPTC emails. So exit out of that, go back from announcements back to my course content page, or to my main page, actually, excuse me. Collaborate again. That's a test session. You can create a room. Students can access this as well through their phones. So you can still have Collaborate sessions as well through Blackboard on the app. Going back over here, your discussion items. Here are all your discussions. You can get in here, have a muddiest point, always have that. There's more I can always do there. See, they're already made there and so on. So can I create a discussion? Can I create assignments and everything through my phone? I highly recommend that you actually use the computer to create your assignments instead of trying to do them all through this. That's where you'll have problems and everything like that. Frankly, now I don't even know if you can do that at this point. Regardless, I can go in here and still participate. For instance, in week 8, I can go in here and I can start a thread in my week 8 and so on. Grading rubrics, I have more on that. I have videos about how to put that up and everything. But anyway, you can access your discussions. All right, course content. So when I click into this is when, on the course content, this is where it goes into everything that would normally be on the left side column, that table of contents on your computer. That's where everything shows up now, okay? So notice all of the stuff that they have access to, stuff they don't have access to, everything's going to show up here, okay? So you can notice all that stuff, faculty info, syllabus, all of that. So notice you'll see another folder that says course content again. That's actually where I have my weekly modules and everything, okay? Yours may look different. It just depends on how you have this set up on the actual Blackboard on the actual computer. So I click course content. There we go. See, they don't have their Unit 3 opened up just yet, but everything else is opened up. I click, say, my Unit 2. And there it is, their weekly modules. Of course, I have this made through the actual computer, through my laptop at home or on my office computer. I make it through the actual Blackboard, not through the app here, clearly, okay? So when I go in, say, week 8, there's everything they need, everything that lines up. So you can see it should look pretty smooth and clear cut for them as far as what we have, all right? Week 8 discussion, it's a direct link to what we just saw. Videos or links I have in here, checklist, everything like that, okay? So that's how you can access and work with content within this, going through here. Of course, like I said, there's a lot of things you cannot do from the instructor side through the app. But for the basics, just seeing what's going on, answering threads, sending announcements, everything like that, there you go. You have access to to all that content there, okay? But as I said before, y'all, please take the time. I want to go back here for a second. Please take the time to go back and use actual computers, if you can, to build the content in Blackboard. Just keep in mind what works for students, what doesn't work. I have information on that. I'm also going to put together a video on how it should look from the students' point of view, okay? So, nevertheless, there you are. If you have any questions or anything at all, please let me know.